Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to present you another asset that is available for the marketplace at this moment. Today is December 2023, and I think that you need to have this particular asset because it's pretty cool to develop the future AAA games that you are planning to do. But before that, don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and a comment to my channel and to this video in particular. And remember that by subscribing to Woolon.com, you will have access to coupons code for the next courses that I am preparing. This offer is only available to our subscribers, and subscribing to Woolon.com is totally free. So let's get started. First of all, let's get into the marketplace, and for the month, you will find that this asset in particular is called the Greek Island. Really great. Let's get and click on it. So here you have the access. I will share it with you on this video as well in case you want to, purchase it probably after it. As you can see, the asset is available for these versions of Unreal. I am using the 5.3, which is the most recent at this moment. And let's see what we have here. Once you import the asset into a project, you will have this Greek Island folder. And in the Greek Island folder, one thing that I really appreciate from this kind of assets is that they have the level, a couple of levels that you can start to work with. The first one is related to the assets. I'm going to save these changes, the last changes I did. These are first the assets that you're going to use. And as you can see, they are very detailed. In fact, if you want to use them for a AAA game, I think that they are perfect. You can even add some other extra elements. Oh, this is looking really horrible. So as you can see, even these statues are pretty cool. Trees, these pieces of wood, excellent, because you can play with this and other materials over it to create more effects. And I have to tell you, this is it's not a big asset, but it has a lot of content that you can use for the creation of I don't know, for scenario, for one Greek scenario. And if you want to add a fantasy game where you can add some elements of Greeking, of the Greeks, this is perfect. And the other thing you have is the L Greek Island level. And this is pretty cool because now they are using other tools of Unreal in combination with, as you can see here, they create some sea, and even on the water is looking very good, very attractive, I have to say. And if we go into the top, let me speed up this camera just a little bit. And if you go into the top and click G, so we don't have the gizmos. Here is an entire island that they created. Of course, they're adding other elements, static meshes probably, that they get from sources like Quixel Bridge. But these are really amazing, and you can find it as well here in the different sections of rocks and things like that. And here you have also the different assets classified by different groups. In fact, I think that these rocks are not part of, I think that they created these rocks, in fact, and this is pretty cool. I'm sorry if this is the developer of these assets if I say something wrong, but in any case, if I have to resume this asset, I have to tell that it is pretty cool. So even the final part where you're getting a lot of attention when you are visiting these sections and then going up here. I mean, this is really amazing. I have to tell you that I recommend you to check out this particular asset. And remember that these are not people that are paying me for saying this. I honestly think that they deserve the credit for doing this, and I think that they deserve as well our support and using these kind of assets for the games that we are creating, because they are really extremely well designed. So look at this, and you can have this, you can use this as part of the design that you are creating. This is a very good starting point for creating an adventure for your own games. So without further ado, I really recommend you to check this. Let me go again to the Epic and the Epic launcher, and here it is. It's called Greek Island by Scale 3D Environments. They have other assets that you can inspect, and I invite you as well to do it. But this particular asset is this month free, and I think is stunning. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and a comment to my channel. And remember that by subscribing to woodland.com, you will get access to coupons for all the courses I am preparing for Unreal. I'll see you later. Cheers, guys.